The Padang Regional Disaster Management Service, together with Yuda Sakti Battalion 133 military personnel, were seen evacuating a minibus that struck by a falling tree. The accident occurred after strong winds and heavy rain battered the city that also caused landfall affecting 11 surrounding areas.
Jadi yang skala yang besar itu yaitu di Jalan Supermasko ya, arus Bukit Tinggi dan Padang menuju Bukit Tinggi tertutup habis. Jadi insya Allah dari batalion membantu juga, dari pihak kepolisian semuanya berjibaku dan BPBD Kota Padang kita kerahkan semuanya tanpa terkecuali.
No one is injured from the incident because there was no passenger at the minibus. Meanwhile, a trio on Abdul Majid Cipete, Jakarta Selatan collapsed on Saturday afternoon. Firemen who arrived at the location immediately cut the tree into pieces.
Angin tadi tiba-tiba kenceng banget dah. Ya bagusnya nggak ada korban ya. Cuman memang nimpa kabel, beberapa kabel tuh ada kabel listrik, ada saluran ya koneksi ke rumah-rumah gitu penghuni sini. Kebetulan pohon itu adanya di perusahaan ini yang disewa sama perusahaan pengantaran logistik si cepat gitu. Nggak ada sama sekali, alhamdulillah kosong, nggak ada apa-apa. Kalau gerimis ada, tapi anginnya itu gede, sangat gede anginnya.
It is estimated that the tree is around a decade old, but it cannot withstand the strong wind. In this incident, no one was injured, but it is estimated that the loss could reach tens of millions of rupiah. The roads surrounding the location were also impacted 2 vehicles. See Today contributors reporting from Padang, West Sumatra and Jakarta.